Iko borlakam kibala japo kawes kasihel distrik Noston. Tikini kipos kidon hapo mairang pada po Noston. Tikini kipos pila ban apply kedai offline. Humdai ban apply online handai kisim tang iki offline mode only. Te peja kini video kenang mapin tip kuna ban le pat kuna ban apply kuna ban pa iki jitan kambaro. Di kelas di tam teknik kipos kedai hendak terik September arajar usau. Kedang biang bakapor papila ban apply. Dengan peja kipos kibalai. Stenographer grade 2 kane kapos kadang tang hapo Noston kala tang hapo Noston. Kucing su nam takine kedai P level 11 ai punya hojar prospa. Te kategori barong kedai UR. Teka qualification nam takine kedai bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma in stenography. Te pelaban pada beka bachelor bat pide bandan ka diploma in stenographer. Minimum speed of 100 word per minute in shorthand and typing speed of 40 word per minute in computer. Stenographer grade 3 iway pos Noston iway apo mairang. Jingsu nam takine kadai lai pengajar lai sepak tingka. Apo Noston ki UR kategori pada pemairang rukum jo. The qualification nam takine pos kadai bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma in stenographer rukum jo pada ketiga grade 2. The minimum speed of 80 word per minute in shorthand and typing speed of 40 word per minute in computer. LDA lagi pos Noston mairang don dikejingsu kedai P level 5 sawajar newspa. UREY kerja berjenti bergaro at lagi pos. Qualification kedai bachelor degree from a recognized university with computer knowledge. Tang mapila pandai beka degree bat de mendan ka computer knowledge. In grade 4 UY Noston UY po mairang jingsu nam tak kene kedai level 1 kan wajar sospa tingka. Ha Noston kedai kerja dia bat garo kipos balat oro bat UR apo mairang kene pila apply kedai kelas 10 pass. Submission of application. Candidate are to apply and submit their application through offline mode only on 6 September atau sau. Jika candidate kibala ban apply jadi submit the application kejang P offline shwa ka under trik September atau sau. Boka district and session judge Noston. Candidate application must be submitted with 2 passport copies, size photograph, self-attested copy of certificate in support of educational qualification, age and experience certificate. Tim samilang ya ki atliki passport jong pi self-attested copy jong ka qualification ka birth certificate baki wiki experience baki dan candidate will have to produce the original certificate and when and required. The candidate pilih submit the original certificate ki jong pi. One safe address envelope fixed with post stamp of address 5 rupees must be attached with the application. Pilih ban pa application ke jong pi apakah envelope rangkat bat ka post stamp ke songdor arti sanika. Bat pilih ban teklang bat ka application ke jong pi. Candidate applying for more than one post should submit separate. Candidate kiba apply nilai teliki post pilih ban submit la ka jong ka envelope yakni post rangkat bat ka application fee ke jong pi. Applicant received through any other mode will not be accepted and will be summarized rejected. Candidate kiba apply ki ban pa baik tahak ka district and session judge Noston tetapi pa akiwe ki jaka kinam sim re bat kin IP rejected. Kejungsu nam teknik pos lai sepak tingka naki general bat naki SC kategori kilong si sepak sunpo tingka apabila ban apply. Dari research fee as indicated above is payable by demand draft in favor of the district and session judge West Kecil District Noston. Ikini kipos periban pa aka demand draft jong pi. The demand draft should be drawn on or after application of the advertisement from any branch of State Bank. Jadi kini ka demand draft laban yo aka State Bank of India. Kini guna State Bank laban yo. Candidates are advised to keep a copy of the receipt after payment and produce it along with the application from candidate. Must also write his name, her name, address and post apply on the back of the demand draft. Jadi candidate di submit lang itu ka application bagi isu napa bank Bat pilihan thoi ka kerteng ke jong pi bat ka address ke jong pi bat ki post bat apply hadin jong ka demand draft. No claim for refund of the application fees shall be entertained, not shall be fee will be held in the reserve from any other examination. Decision berpilasi ya ka application fee kimla siu ban panpai ladakal bakla ne kumna tikas nem nam takine kadai katpra do life course nem yaki SC kategori sans nem ka relaxable kata do life news nem. Instruction to candidate. Applicants are advised to apply well in advance without waiting for the closing date. Tekikan dia kibalam apply film day ban up ya ka tarik last ke jong pi. Government employee are to produce NOC from the appointing authority when called for personal interview. Failing will be rejected. Teka kin sapa ya interview tak NOC bakot ya ki interview ke jong pi pilihan biang kapor takim biang kin sia reject. Incomplete unsigned application received without prescribed fee, photograph, attested copy of required certificate such as educational qualification, caste, experience, etc. and those received after the prescribed last date for reception of application will be summarized rejected without any communication to the candidate. No further correspondence will be entertained in the regard. Tekikan diri hak application ke pi klaim ka singsiu ki photograph ki certificate jong pi pat ki ki jingan kam ha tekikan date ki bapa ka last date ka application ke jong pi will be summarized rejected directly. Klaim kana ka jong TPP. Candidates are advised to carefully go through the eligible criteria prescribed for each post such as educational qualification, age and certify themselves as they eligible for the post before applying. Tekikan date pilihan pajah yaki bilang eligible em ki post balat kum ka qualification ka snem bat kum terter tetang kini kicing tip perlok dalam situna dekan dekat channel ko janga coba subscribe bat press yo bell icon nang bat miss yaki update ki bat mai tetang kini kicing tip ku besibon bat share aki perlok ke jong pi.